this video has quickly gone awry.
There it is. Jeepers, you're great.
Grayson, you're being a maniac. Grayson turned 2 today, and he's got the giggles for some reason.
It might be all the sugar.
It's part of his wild mood swings for the day.
Ice cream. Wow.
Getting some good dessert. Vanilla ice cream with...
No, you're behind you when you're ready.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thanks very much.
Grayson.